Good morning everyone, welcome to my room, and this is the simple me in simple ambience. Napili ko po itong um, gawing ano pag aanohan ng narrative videos because sa tingin ko mas ma-express ko mabuti kung simple lang at kung ako lang yung gagawa ng video na to, ma-express ko yung mga gusto kong sabihin at isagot dito sa mga some questions that I need to answer. First is the impression to my professor. Firstly is impression ko kasi kay sir is noong una kasi akala ko zigulaki lang siya. At sa bagay, may gano'n namang part, pero in the way na natututo naman kami. Masaya siya kasama. He is happy to be with. Tsaka, yung approach niya sa amin is maganda. Magaling siyang makisama sa mga estudyante in the way na hindi naman siya binabastos ng mga estudyante niya. And in the way na pagkapapasok sa klase is hindi ka matatakot kasi parang yung learning namin doon, nandun yung learning, fun with learning. Parang nag-e-enjoy kami in every activity na ginagawa namin. Yun. Ano pa ba? Sir is mahilig siyang gumawa ng mga the moves. Nung for example, nung sa badminton, dapat ganito para may dating kayo, dapat maangas yung dating, gano'n, tinuturo din niya sa amin yan. And, yun. The same time, we are laughing kasi, at the end of pagtuturo niya, pumapalpak din siya kung minsan. And, everyone was laughing after that. Siguro, kay sir, yung mga na-experience namin sa klase niya is, dati kasi nahahati yung section namin, o yung class namin, sa dalawa kasi. And, pinag-combine kami. The other half of us is from the 1B, former 1B, and the other half is from us, the former 1A. And, parang may gap dun eh. May gap talaga. And, dahil dun sa mga, dahil sa sports, napag-bind kami kasi everyone knows naman na sports is love ng lahat. Even na hindi ka marunong mag-sports, pero kung nanonood ka and magugustuhan mo talaga siya, nakaka-relieve ng stress. Yun. Nakaka-relieve siya ng stress, especially those running days na puro aral ka lang, and especially those na nag-working student, sobrang laki ng pressure everyday. Pressure at saka yung tension, kaya nagdulot na ngayon ng stress. And through PE, parang dun kasi parang laro-laro lang na yun, may grades ka, ganyan. Pero at the same time, nakakapag-relax ka and nailalabas mo yung stress mo nagamit yung sports. Tsaka, learn. Ano yung natutunan ko dito? Madami. Kasi, sa badminton pa lang, yung experience pa lang, pwera sa history, kasi ang learning kasi, natututunan yan, hindi lang sa book eh. The best learning is through experience, actual experience mo. Na, karamihan naman sa atin is sanay talaga maglaro ng badminton, but ang doon is sanay naman tayo mag-badminton pero hindi naman natin alam na may iba't iba palang klase ng raketa, may iba't iba palang position na dapat na ginagawa, na required, na hindi lang basta maipasok mo. Meron ding mga hangganan, yung kumbaga yung area mo kung maglalaro ka. And yun pa, natutunan natin gumawa ng raketa ng table tennis. Sobrang hirap, one of the unforgettable experience din. And the other one is, dito kasi sa PE class, especially when you're doing the actual performance or actual activity, dito na masusubukan yung skill mo. Magiging ka talaga dito sport. Kasi makikita mo naman yung skill ng kalaban mo, kaya magiging sport ka. Kung matalo ka man, wala ka ng angal kasi nakita mo yung kapasidad niya. Ikaw naman yung gumagawa ng sarili mong score. And hindi ka rin, ang kagandahan dito, hindi ka rin pwedeng mangopya, unlike ng written. Kasi pagka actual kasi, parang, sige, sila na yung kahit mangopya ka ng moves nila, kung hindi mo naman gamay yun or wala kang skill para doon, hindi mo rin siya magagawa. And, suggestion ko is, a little bit na paghihigpit sa mga lates and absences during the class kasi mas maganda yung magiging flow ng learnings ng isang students pagka nandun yung discipline nila. Kasi through PE, dapat dito rin dinidevelop yung discipline ng mga estudyante. And I'm not saying na I'm perfect student. Actually, I'm one of those students na always absent. Hindi sa PE, but in the other subject. Yun. And the other side of your teaching, sir, is okay naman. Dedicated song ko is, ang napili ko po is this song by We Are the World by Michael Jackson. Pakinggan ko siya, ang kanta ni Justin Bieber. Tsaka ng other singer na Hollywood singer. Ito na po yung kanta ko. Sana magustuhan nyo. And hi to all of my fans there watching me. Joke. Ito na po. There come a time when we hear the certain call, and the world must come together as one. There are people dying. It's time to lift our hands to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somehow will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and through we know love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start living. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. Well, send in your heart, so they know that someone cares, so the cries for help will not be in vain. We can let them suffer, no, we cannot turn away. Right now, they need a helping hands. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start living. There's a choice we're making, we're saving our own life. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. This is the song I dedicate to you, sir, because of your career. Kasi yung unity ng isang bansa at saka yung change na nangyayari, nagiging malaking part po ang mga professor and teacher na gaya nyo kasi kayo yung nagmo-mold sa isang student to be a better person someday. Kayo nagmo-mold sa mga future leader na maging better pa sila. And yun lang. Kaya ako naisip na ito yung song sa inyo. And siguro belated Happy Teacher's Day. Sobrang late na, pero yun po. Belated po. And thank you for everything na inuro niyo sa amin. And thank you sa mga experiences na pina-experience niyo sa amin during those class. And sana kayo po, ma-experience ulit namin kayo being a professor. Kung hindi man next sem, other sem. Sa bagay, wala na po kami PE. Sana next sem, kayo ulit. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And we love you. Bye-bye. Good morning again. And yun. Sobrang late na po. Parang it's already morning na. And bye. Good morning and good night. Bye-bye.